In this video, we are going to look at transaction ST07, which shows the overview of system parameters. So go to ST07, enter. So now the transaction is executing. So we will see the number of users, number of application servers, and other parameters in one screen. So this is a useful transaction to keep on monitoring every week to make sure you have the right number of users and number of servers in place. So here you can see number of logons, number of users logon, active 6. Okay, so this is today, and sessions. Okay, and then application server is 1. So total user count is 1605. Work process 16. Okay, and then you can see the information on the system server, everything. Okay, so we can also see other response structures, history, database access, is a buffer, all this kind of data information. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download the free SAP cybersecurity tool. Thank you.